Gya Labs is well known for making high quality essential oils, so I am thrilled they sent me their Bergamot essential oil because I love bergamot. Now this may be simple, but my favorite way to use bergamot is in a room diffuser. I love the smell. I find it incredibly inviting. This is how it comes. It's really well packaged. It came in a plastic cover over this box, and on the bottom it does have the expiration date. Now bergamot has a sweet, slightly tangy smell to it. It's an extremely inviting smell. It's very refreshing and light and just makes me want to put in a diffuser right now and make my whole room smell like this. But that's not all bergamot is for. You can use this essential oil in many ways. One of the best things about Gya Labs is these are fully natural. There's nothing synthetic in them. So there are so many ways to apply bergamot essential oil. You could put this in a carrier oil and use it for massage or for your skin and even for your hair. Bergamot has so many incredible qualities. And thanks to its incredibly soothing smell, it can be wonderful for just relaxation or helping you sleep. Now the box itself is really lovely. As I said, it has the expiration date on the bottom. That's important to check. And it talks about that it is fully natural and how to use it. And it goes into a little more on ways that they recommend you using this oil, and that it is simply the citrus bergamot oil. The oil itself comes in this dark glass jar with a simple dropper that gives you controlled drops, and it really is just a simple, wonderful oil. So if you are looking for high quality essential oils, I cannot recommend Gya Labs enough, and I definitely love their bergamot essential oil.